Welcome to episode 3 of Online English Lessons, The Last Drop of Water. Today's story is difficult to tell. It is about a father's love and a daughter's forgetfulness. Gunasina was a poor farmer. His wife died giving birth to their daughter, Amaya.
Fatha. Look. My shoes are broken. All the other kids laugh at me.
Don't cry, my little daughter. I will buy you new shoes tomorrow.
But you didn't eat dinner last night. Are you hungry?
Me? No. Fathers don't get hungry, Amaya. You study hard. Become a doctor. That is my only dream.
Gunasina sold his paddy fields to pay for her medical college fees. Finally, the day came. She became Dr. Amaya.
Fatha, I got a job at the National Hospital in Colombo. I am going to marry Shalindra. He is a rich businessman.
I am so proud of you. Go. Go and shine like a star. Don't worry about this old man.
Amaya moved to a luxury apartment in Colombo. Her life was full of parties. The calls to the village became rare.
Oh God, he is calling again. Hello? Fatha?
Hello? Amaya? It's me. My chest hurts a little. I just wanted to hear your voice.
Fatha, I am in a meeting. I can't talk about your chest pain now. Take a Panadol. I will call you next week.
But Putha, it has been 2 months since.
I have to go. Bye.
Weeks passed. A heavy drought hit the village. Gunasina fell onto his mat, unable to get up.
Water. I need water.
He reached for the clay pot. It was empty. He tried to dial her number.
Amaya, pick up, please, just 1 drop of water.
But in Colombo, Amaya was at a party. Her phone was on silent.
I remember when she was a baby. I gave her the last cup of milk. I stayed hungry. Amaya, be happy.
Gunasina closed his eyes. Outside, the rain finally started to fall. The water came, but there was no one to give him a sip. The next morning, Amaya received a call from their neighbor.
Hello? Somalitha auntie? Why are you calling so early?
Amaya, come home. We found him. He is gone. He died of dehydration.
No. Fatha. I didn't answer. I let him die thirsty.
Amaya returned to the village in her luxury car. But no amount of money could buy a glass of water for the dead. Parents sacrifice their today for our tomorrow. Do not be too busy to pick up their call. Key vocabulary: trembling, dehydration, sacrifice, regret. This is Noan Samira. Episode 3.